And they're so freaking cute. Such cute dogs. Maybe we should head inside a bunch of different. Oh my god, this store is so fit for the cherry blossom spot. So we are at the SF Cherry Blossom Festival, and as you can see, it's really freaking busy right now. Like, let me show you guys. Like, there's so much going on, so many artists, and there's Kinokuniya, a bunch of different art stands that are super cool, and everyone's wearing such cute clothing, which I think is really, really cute. And this is my outfit. Wow, everything is so cute. I'm deceased. Okay, so this is my outfit for the Cherry Blossom Festival, and I wore my Murakami Cherry Blossom bag for the festival. Yeah, just walking around, and there's so much going on. Okay, so this is what it's looking like on the street. It's so freaking busy. So much going on. There's hella different like art stuff, and it's really freaking cute. Like, look at all these different art booths, and if you look, there's a ton of stuff going on. It's super freaking cute. Oh my god, I'm scared that my skirt is gonna blow up. So yeah, this is what everything looks like, and there's so much going on, guys. I'm kind of nervous because like my dress, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really short, like my dress. So if one wind blows, it's all over. But we don't really have a goal for today. Just wanted to go because mostly I have that Cherry Blossom Murakami bag, and it's the Cherry Blossom Festival, but actually we went last year. So it's like a little bit of a repeat in that sense. So we'll see. Everything here is so freaking cute. Wow. Little pins. Oh my god. They have all these different cute pins for like Genshin stuff. Oh. These are so cute. And they have like different t-shirts. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. They have like keycap. And there's even more pins here. Holy, there's so many. Noodles. This art is super freaking cute. And there's these booths, and there's so many people for all of these art booths. So many people have like such cute dogs. Like Jesus, they're so fluffy samoyed. So many people in the food court. Like honestly, it's really crowded. Oh my god, I see somebody with like really cute pink hair. Some girls wearing super cute like, oh god, you can't see them very well, but like cute Lolita style outfits. Bunch of these super cute pins. Oh, a freaking Twice bucket hats. Like these are so cute. Oh my god, Twice, all these cute hats. There's a really cute booth here, and it has all these different cute tote bags. And look at the rug. Like there's different rugs, like cute little rugs. Cat rug. God, there's a bunch of jackets. Look at this like patchwork jacket. It's so cool. And all these fluffy little jackets. Oh my god. Thank you so much. We're inside the main mall area right now, and look at that cute pink parasol. I really want one. Maybe we should head inside this store and take a look. It's so freaking cute. And they have a bunch of different head inside. Oh my god, super cute. Everything is so aesthetic. Oh my god, guys. You see what caught my eye immediately? This is so freaking cute. Hello. It's us. Oh, there's so many little items. Oh my god. These freaking keychains, they're so tiny and mini. Wait, these would be perfect on a bag. Literally. Oh my god. These bag charm trends are crazy. And look at these. They're so tiny. So many cute cats. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Jeez, I'm dying. This is so cute. Oh my god, so many different items. Oh my god, I got these in Japan. I guess it's literally from Japan. And look at all these types of earrings. Like, they're really cute. I have some origami train earrings from Japan, but I guess you don't have to go to Japan because these look the same as the ones that I bought in the touristy area of Japan. And then what I came in here for is the parasols. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I have my eye on the pink one. I'm curious the price of these parasols. Like, how much would this one be? It's really huge. There's just a bunch of different food, mochi donuts. This one has like a cute little anime store. And oh my god, look at the food. It looks absolutely delicious. Like, jeez. Wow. Oh my god, this store is so cute. This is everything. Oh my god. Wait, they have the Trader Joe looking bags? Wait. Okay, we are heading inside. Oh, I was wrong, but these look just like the Trader Joe's new bags. Oh my god. They're so cute. San Francisco, California. This cinnamon roll bag has my heart. Oh, we've been in here before. I just realized. It caught my eye every time. Damn, so much stuff. Look at the little rainbow one. Crepe stores here always. I don't know what it is, but Japanese people love crepes. And just some more like touristy looking stores. Some more anime looking stores, but more male oriented. And then, oh my god, this skincare store is really cool. They have a bunch of stuff here that, like, if you want to not buy it from YesStyle and maybe compare pricing, like a lot of Japanese hair care that's famous. And here a bunch of like different anime stuff. Oh, and here we're back to the main section with a bunch of different skincare and the different Anderson bakery. So it's so freaking cute. This tea shop is really popular in the Bay Area, and every single location I've seen has a totally different design. Like, look at this part of the design. It's super techy. It's all those like screens that you record with. And this is so freaking cute. This is like a touristy shop. And I love how everyone's dressed up, like super cute. Some people are wearing like the most amazing outfits. So what should we order? They have ice cream. Oh my god, they had a Blackpink ice cream. And what do you want? Special? I'm craving something more fruit. You want mango pomelo, even though we always get it? Or you want green? Okay, yeah. Our outfits. Something has such good outfits.
140? 140, yeah.
Do they have 138?
138?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god, I see Violet Evergarden cosplay. Wait, how do we get in? Oh. Oh, okay. Cute display. Harajuku mochi chocolate. Oh my god, this is such a cute display. Just like what they actually have in Japan. Like, it's really worth it. To the actual streets of SF. We're gonna go find a soba noodle spot, so update you when we get there. Climbing the hills. See that? That's a really cute box. Okay, we arrived at the restaurant and